It's news time. Information is power. The current, the news headline. Governor Ikpeazu's aide, Obinna Ibiam resigns, makes revelation. Mr. Obinna Odukwe Ibiam has announced his resignation as the senior special advisor to the governor of Abia State on agricultural empowerment programs. Giving reasons for his resignation in a statement made available to journalists in Umuahia on Sunday, Ibiam berated the alleged unconcerned attitudes and deliberate refusal of the government to implement policies so as to enhance empowerment and development of Abia youth. He also accused the state government of frustrating key agricultural programs being run in the administration and expressed dismay that the administration was yet to implement the programs despite the approval of the 50 million naira counterpart funds to the Bank of Agriculture for empowerment of over 3,000 unemployed Abians. The Abians were trained in a 36 different agricultural value chain and value for 90 days at the National Root Crops Research Institute Umudike Library by resource persons from the Federal Ministry of Agriculture, Michael Okpara University of Agriculture, and the National Root Crop Research Institute Umuduke, led by Iberi Oziri. Ibiam hinted that the governor has failed to release the approved 50 million naira counterpart funds through Accountant General of the state Kelechi Imioria, and they alleged that Ikpeazu used in putting Abia in a sorry, unimaginable, awkward, backward state. Hence, the reason the high insecurity in the state is like that. He said that the agricultural program will guarantee soft loans for the participants to be empowered in order to make them self-reliant and wealth creators to boost food security, job creation, and internally generated revenue of the state. Ibiam, who also served as special advisor to ex-governor Orji Uzor Kalu, disclosed that he had appealed to the governor's wife through letters, domestic aides, and brother to help him and humanity for the release of the approved counterpart funds, which killed through budget approval by the Abia State House of Assembly. He also insisted that the governor has refused to fulfill his mutual contractual agreement and assurances with him till this day of his resignation from office, saying that he was leaving the government in peace. Ibiam, who equally served ex-governor Theodore Orji, said in tears, "Your Excellency, sir, I penned down this open resignation letter sorrowfully and painfully, depressed with severe stress emanated from excessive calls and threats by the helpless unemployed youth, women and men who believed in you and I, voted you and trusted you to do better than our former governor, C.A. Orji, whose empowerment programs was eloquent and impressive to Abians during his tenure." The former board member of the Abia State College of Technology and Education, Arochukwu, however, thanked Governor Ukezi Ikpeazu for appointing him on merit as youngest special advisor on agricultural empowerment programs. Ibiam partly said in his resignation letter that "I have been your ardent follower and supporter through my weekly and monthly publication on print media, radio stations, and online media, sponsoring promotion of your government programs and policies, defending the defenseless even when your present Commissioner for Information, Eze Chikamnayo, and Don Obinna Norman attacked you and I on Facebook, alleging that you used the youth empowerment programs to siphon billions and divert funds meant for youth empowerment. The records are on Facebook. Abian saw how I defended you and how I made them understand that you are yet to implement the youth empowerment and agricultural program. I was called many derogatory names and accused wrongfully because of my love for you, Abians, and humanity. Your Excellency, sir, I urge you to find a place in your heart to forgive me and Abians in any way we mistakenly went wrong against you, sir, and please appoint whomever you like and implement the youth empowerment in agricultural program, because it has become evidently clear that you are bearing unknown grudges against me. Sir, for the sake of Abians, who thought you have released and diverted the funds following the false alarm from the Commissioner of Information, Eze Chikamnayo, and Don Obinna Norman, please kindly treat me and Abia unemployed citizens like you with love and sacrifice for your own sons. As I put down this open letter, sir, I have left the state for you to Abuja, and I use this medium to let the world know that should anything happen to me and my innocent family, you and yours will be held accountable and responsible, because I was only trying to serve you and Abia State with my sincere strength, but you have proved that you don't mean well for me and majority of Abia youth, based on your body language against what Ebonyi State Governor, Imo State Governor, Abia, Akwa Ibom Governor, Anambra State Governor, and Enugu State Governor did, specifically to their unemployed youth, to create jobs through employment, agricultural empowerment, and boost the economy of their people and state IGR from food production. And this was how the aide to Governor Ikpeazu of Abia State, Obinna Ibiam, resigned, making such revelations about how the governor of the state, had yet refused to implement the empowerment and development of policies of the Abia State, especially in terms of the agricultural programs, empowerment programs that he is actually the SSA2 and championing, seeing that there are a whole lot of people that have accused the state government of frustrating key agricultural programs being run in the administration, and they have expressed their unhappiness about the administration, who is yet to disburse 50 million naira counterpart funds to the Bank of Agriculture for the empowerment of over 3,000 unemployed Abians, seeing that the Abians were trained in 36 different agricultural value chain, and the value for 19 days of National Root Crops Research Institute Omodike Library by resource persons from the Federal Ministry of Agriculture, Michael Okpara, University of Agriculture, saying that the governor had failed to release these approved funds through the Accountant General of the state, who is Kelechi Emiora, saying that Ikpeazu used in putting Abia in a sorry and unimaginable backward state, and that is even one of the reasons why Abia State has been experiencing a whole lot of mayhem and insecurity in the state, saying that the agricultural program would have guaranteed soft loans for participants, and also a whole lot of youth would have been self-reliant and become wealth creator, and this will further boost food security, job creation, and internally generated revenue for the state. But for some reasons known to the governor, who has still kept the fund for not use, that is why the aide is actually resigning, saying that at several times as he appealed to the governor's wife through letters and also domestic aides and brothers to help him for the sake of humanity as well, to talk to the governor to release this budget that has even scaled through the State House of Assembly, and and these people that noting that the people of Abia State that actually voted him and the governor in, and the governor in, subsequently, because he was appointed based on merit, and for the reasons of excessive calls and severe stress, that he has tried his best to ensure that this works out, even when the Commission of Information and some other bodies were accusing him, that is the governor, on Facebook, dragging him. He actually defended the both of them, and yet he can't cope again, and he has left the governor to appoint another person to fit into his shoe, saying that if anything happens to him, that the governor should be held responsible. Thanks for listening.